All right. And could you tell me who you are, please?
I'm a Mason Miller.
Mason Miller. Okay. And you were clearly cutting up a lime. So, what contribution is that lime going to be?
It's gonna add more flavor to the soup, and it's gonna make it more like it's gonna give it more pop to it,
Okay.
as limes usually do.
Okay.
Just
All right. So it goes. So it doesn't go on after. It goes in while you're cooking.
you can do it while you're cooking and a little bit after if you want that to be in your dish personally. It'll add more flavor if you put it in afterwards. You'll have your own dish and then put some lime in it.
And what got you interested in this class?
I thought it would be really nice to learn how to cook, so then I could cook in the future for myself, healthier lifestyle. I'm trying to lift weights in class, so I want to eat properly so I can be strong and healthy. And if I do end up needing to cook for somebody, I'll be able to.
All right. Are you considering this as a career, or is it mostly personal?
I have considered it as a career, but it's kind of personal right now. I'm trying to become an electrician later in life and get into the trade. I think it'd be nice still to learn how to cook. I think everyone should learn how to cook. And yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
I saw go on the